Okay, what we have here is Azenco remote control. What I'd like to do is demonstrate how this works. Up top, you see channels 1, channel 2, channel 3, 4, 5, 6. Any one of these channels can be programmed to have multiple sections work together. So in this case, we have both bays, 2 sections of louvers opening together on channel 1. In order to do that, I would go ahead and right now it's in the closed position with these little lines around it, completing the circle. That means it's closed. This one is 3/4 covered. That would actually be partially open. The one with half the lines around the circle is just a little bit more. And then this one right here is all the way open. The one with just that quarter circle around it. So at this point, if I wanted to open it, I'd go to channel 1, I'd hit the open button and they would all open, or the close button and they would all close. At any point in time, you can stop the louvers by pressing the center button as a stopping point. Now, if I wanted to, on this particular system, we have channel 3 for one section. I could go ahead and open the louvers, close the louvers, stop them wherever I want, or use the partial features. If I want to open the other bay, I go to bay number 4, which is programmed for the other individual bay, and then I could do the same thing. I could open, close, partial, stop. You also have the ability to open the louvers manually by pressing the up and down button. And then on this particular system, we always program the system so that all louvers, no matter how many bays there are, whether it's a 1 bay, 2 bay, 4 bay, are all open on one. Then we always program, because that's what most people want to do. Then we go to 2 and we program the lights. And the lights will go on with the up button. With the left and right arrows, you can dim the lights on or off. It has nothing to do with these here for the lights. And then you can control the lights. You use the circular pad here to control the lights. If I want to do individual bays, I go to bay 3 for one bay, bay 4 for another bay. Whoop. Bay 4 for another bay. And that is how you use the Azenco remote control.